Check out this lifetime deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. We are excited to announce that Bramework is now available with unlimited access. You can save up to $900 by getting their lifetime deal for only $79. If you are spending hours writing a blog post, cut the time it takes to create a blog post by using Bramework. With the click of a button, you can find trends, phrases, and even common questions people are searching for online. With Bramework's AI-powered writing assistant, it's time to say goodbye to writer's block. Enter a keyword to see keyword volume, competition, difficulty, trends, and more. By typing in some keyword information and letting the writing assistant handle the rest, you can write blog posts in half the time with Bramework. To begin, enter your primary keyword or topic, as well as any additional keywords or questions you want to address in the post. Then click Create, and the AI writer will generate original content for you. The outline generator also allows you to quickly create blog post outlines. With the outline in hand, you can complete your writing more quickly, thanks to an AI-created roadmap that provides you with a sense of direction. Bramework also has Title Generator, wherein it generates engaging blog post titles that catch your visitors' attention and encourage them to click and read more. Just enter the blog topic, and it will present with a list of relevant, catchy blog post titles in a matter of seconds. Bramework saves you time by providing you with the tools you need to quickly research keywords, create titles and outlines, and optimize your copy. In no time, you can create SEO-friendly content with Bramework. Lifetime deal for Bramework starts at only $79. You can save as much as $900. Get unlimited access to Bramework right now. Check out more details and get lifetime access today at a super discounted price by clicking the link in the description below. Explore the other current software lifetime deals on the right side of your screen. Take advantage of special offers that are tailored to your needs. Hit like and subscribe to get the latest software deals and so much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.